Hey everybody, what if I were to tell you that you could take a wood-burning stove with you anywhere, no matter where you're going? That's what you get with this. It comes in this convenient bag that you can carry. And look at this, stainless steel. You put your wood or wood pellets inside, light it up. It has special access for oxygen at the bottom, and you're ready to go. So I would say, get the s'mores ready. It's time to go camping.
Something that I really like about this particular fire pit is how easy it is to transport. It is just over 2 pounds, so it's not heavy at all. It comes with a travel bag, so you can put this in that bag, and it's less than 8 inches tall, less than 7 inches wide. So if you're taking this camping or on the go with you, you could take it with you, no problem. The other part that I like about this is once you unbox it, it is ready to go. So the way that we got this burning right off the bat is we cut up small pieces of wood, we added some sawdust, and then we tore some small pieces of paper. And once we did all of that and lit the match, this started the fire, no problem. So within a few minutes, you really get a good burn going, and you can tell that it doesn't give off a lot of smoke like other fire pits, but you still feel the heat. And you can certainly feel it when you put your hands over this. It gives off a nice area of heat. In fact, if you're within 2 feet of this, even though it's small, you can warm up, you can roast marshmallows, and it's just perfect for the outdoors and for a cold day. Now, this uses special technology to cut down on the smoke, but improve the air circulation. And the way that works is there's an area at the bottom of this fire pit that directly feeds the air up through the material. So it's getting that oxygen that the fire needs, but near the top, it has a secondary air circuit between the inner and outer wall and a flame gathering ring. So when you look at all the elements that are in this, you have the fire pit body, a flame gathering ring, it's fueled by woods, you have a wood placement basin, you have an ashtray that's removable, and you can also use pellets. So you have different ways of getting this lit, and I should also mention that this is made of stainless steel. So it's durable, it's stable, it's not going to collapse under the pressure of those super hot flames, and that ash pan is secured with removable screws, raising the height of the fire pit without burning the table. So this is innovative in its design, and what I like the most about it is that it looks nice, but at the same time, it doesn't give off a lot of smoke. It's not going to overwhelm you or the campsite. So 2 thumbs up for the by Brewtech tabletop fire pit. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.